Hey, thanks for joining the channel today. Do you want to spice up your leaflet maps, turning those boring tile points into custom URL points? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that in really one easy step. So right here I have a map that we're going to be building, which is 2017 homicides in New Orleans. The first thing you want to do is figure out where you want to get your custom icon from. In this example, I went to flaticon.com and I just typed in gun and I just picked out one of these icons, right clicked and copied that URL. So the dataset that I'm using is this New Orleans dataset that contains homicides, and basically I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is 2017 data with different types of crimes and information about that. And what I'm doing is I'm just filtering the dataset down to just homicides, calling that death, and then I'm creating a pop-up label with the str glue and combining a couple of these fields together. So let me show you what your map initially looks like with the boring points. So I want to take this map and I want to customize it with my custom URL. It's really easy to do with the icon function. So I'm calling my dataset death, initializing the leaflet function. I'm adding tiles, which is my base map, and then I'm using the add markers function with my pop-up that labeled text and calling icon. And it's really simple, using that list function, my icon URL, and then the icon size. So when I run that, I get a custom leaflet map with my icon, which looks a lot better than those plain boring tiles. Come over here, you can look at different cities of New Orleans. You can kind of see it's clustered around certain areas where homicides have happened.